Okay guys, let me share the Chrome extension personal AI. This personal AI is a tool that you can collect your messaging, collect your um, instant messaging, and collect your review history, and also it can create a view to help you to understand what AI understand. The AI is your assistant. He know what you know. If you give him enough message informations, you can ask him everything. Okay, and let me share the feature one by one. First of all, you can set up your topic. What topics you're concerned? You can add any topic. I just concerned about my boss as my boss. Reply message. So I save, and when your research message receive this consideration, you can receive a board message to mention you, that you can check the matching message, and also it will store in the memory. You can use this button to check all your memory. You can search anything. Okay, for the second, for this one, I can because I don't have any data in this machine. I can have some preview to show you. You guys can see. This is to show you today where you're concerned, and the topics, and the recommendations, and also you can with the message as topic. And then you can click read to close the topic. Okay, and we click into one topic. You can view the original messages. You can view the summaries and any related resource tickets, journal tickets, and web history. And this is a summary for the messages. Okay, that's the memory with messages and anything. And second feature is about the schedule messaging. For schedule messaging, you can see you need the Oauth here because it's a test app. Didn't pass the Oauth. Okay, here you can see you need your emails, and then you can click outsource. For the scopes, this one you need to create some sheets to maintain your schedule message, and I will show you later. And for this one, he will analyze your slides for your projects. I will show you later. And for this one is the Google Sheet permission. And for this one, you need to send the message as you. I will show you how to manage a message that will say set as you, present as you in future. And this is permission. For this one, it's help you to create the Google Sheet and the Google App Screen to maintain your schedule message and keep it running every day to send your scheduled message in future. Okay, let's click all and continue. And for all these scopes, the OAuth permissions, all the data will stay in this Chrome extension. And once you okay, let me show you the feature schedule messaging. And once you've done the Oauth, you can click the one button to help you to create a managing sheet. This Google Sheet can help you to manage all your scheduled messaging, and it can present as you to send the message by using the app script. So it can help you to create the app script as well, and also to send the email present as you, that to send the message present as you. In the setting in the future, so we need to pause the Google Sheet again. Then it can help you to create app script and also deploy the app script. Here we go. Okay, let's done the Oauth and keep going. Okay, we're done. Okay, as you can see, he created a simple message, and by 1 minute later you can receive this message. Okay, that's the sketch message, and also you can see you can create a message scheduled by time in the future, repeat and in frequency, and also trigger by some project milestone, like once the feature done, feature freeze, send me a message and send to someone. Okay, and also you can create some message just remind you. Okay. That's a feature schedule message, and also you guys must interest for the sheet ability. You can fetch the Jira tickets content into the Google Sheet and refresh this page. Once you click this button, you can like tap any JQL, and then you can open a Jira page to fetch the JQL contact, and then add it in the bottom of this sheet. And also you can click this button to refresh all these items into the latest one, and also open a tab to fetch Jira tickets. Then you can click one button to update all the fields, and all these fields maintained in the config sheet. This config sheet also you can click this button to create the config sheet. Okay, that's the sheet component. And last one, analyze the slide. We can also click analyze the slide, and he can help you to fetch the Jira information and analyze it. And we don't have these permissions, so you guys can try it. Okay, that's all the features I will show you.